It's Andy here with all of your Byte Federal updates, news, and things that you all have questions about. Today we're tackling the essential question: why does Bitcoin have value and how did it get that way? Let's tell you exactly what happened. Okay, so backing it up a bit, everyone is always asking, why does Bitcoin have value? We just asked that for you, we're asking it for everybody. You should be asking yourself though, how does any currency have value? The short answer is really that something valuable must back currency for it to have that value. Bitcoin is something of a careful watch of supply and demand, and the trust of people and governments backing it. Here's something you probably haven't heard of: fiat currency. It's not new, not old, it's been around. Fiat currencies have zero intrinsic value. For a long time in the world, the limited supply of things like gold and silver made value of things like this even higher. However, in the past, we've traded things like gold and silver for their intrinsic value in products we have made. In the case of Bitcoin, it actually does have more than an intrinsic value. It's not just more than we say it is. In fact, it took 10 months for Bitcoin to gain its first value from an inception. People ask the questions: does it transfer from peer to peer as it says? Is it truly transparent? Is my identity hidden? We were still finding these things out. Bitcoin then increased value by 1,300% in comparison to a dollar, simply because it had a limited supply with a trusted network. And if you did not know, a Bitcoin divides itself to the 8th denomination, or decimal, also known as a Satoshi. Satoshis get their name from the synonymous founder of the Bitcoin protocol, Satoshi Nakamoto. If there is a need for it, a theoretical 16 digits can divide a Bitcoin even further. Compare that with needing to prepare plates and engravings for a new series of real money to go to mint. It doesn't break the bank, so to speak, but the overhead is continuous. On the other hand, facilitating transfers on Bitcoin embeds that price in mining. As a result, those costs, CPU and energy, reduce over time and will reach a lower cost than making actual physical cash. To sum it all up, fiat money isn't durable. Paper money has an average lifespan of 6 years before it's unusable. Because Bitcoin is 100% decentralized, the power is with the people. And if you want to get your own Bitcoin, again, it's simple. Go to bytefederal.com and find the nearest Byte ATM near you with the record locator. Andy here signing off. Go bank yourself. Bank smarter.